Hey everyone, I'm Anjali. Welcome back to my channel Divine Ideas. So I'm back with another DIY video for you all, and I hope you all are doing best. This video is about these indoor plants that I got someday back, and I got some for my desk also where I work. So I want some pots to be there for these plants, and I also don't want to invest on those high prices pots. So I got my creative mode on and got these DIY. Without wasting any time, let's just get into the video. And before that, please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and also like the video if you like it, and comment in the comment section below. And yeah, let's get started.
So the first thing that we need is container like this, and these are the waste. And the best thing about these containers are that they got a lot of space and I can use them for storage as well. Secondly, I got these really cool craft papers, and they are in different textures and colors, and I really love them. Now I'm going to take one of those craft papers and I'm going to cut it into the size of the container. We have a extra space in the paper, so we're gonna cut it, and I'm gonna use a pen to mark the exact size, and I'm gonna cut it. Now to stick this paper, I'm using double-sided tape, and I'm gonna stick it all together like this and press the sides of the paper firmly. If you want, you can use anything that you like. You can use fevicol, you can use sellotape, anything that you like. I'm securing it by applying another layer of the tape, and that's it. And then press it firmly, and yeah, we are done with the first container, and yeah, it looks like this. So this is the second container I'm using, and I'm gonna cover it in the same way I did with the last one. This sheet was fit for this container and I don't need to cut it, and I got it secured with double tape. So here are the two of the containers that we got. For the last one, I'm using a wax container I have, and for this I'm gonna use this paper, but this time I'm gonna use a fevicol to show you how it fits with the fevicol. This container is larger in radius as compared to the last two, so I got short of the paper, and that's why I've used another craft paper here. Now I'm going to allow it to dry for some time. Then I've used this jute twine and got some design over it. Once it is done, we will let it dry. Now I'm gonna use this yogurt container I have. I'm going to use it to hold the plants, and this fits amazingly into the container. Rest of the remaining space in the container, I'm gonna use it for storage. Also, we can use it without the container and use it as it is. And it's all done. So I'm using mine for keeping my sketches and all. For another container, I have used it as a candle holder, and I've placed a container and a candle into it. So here we are with our easy peasy quick DIY plant holder.